Pancreatic cancer. Introduction. The digestive juices of the pancreas are released into the duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestines. Select true or false. Correct. Digestive juices from the pancreas are released into the first part of the small intestines, called the duodenum. Are all tumors cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. Only malignant tumors which invade other tissues are cancerous. Benign tumors are not cancerous. Is it always possible to determine the cause of cancer in an individual patient? Select yes or no. Correct. It is typically impossible to specify the causes of cancer in an individual patient. However, general causes of cancer are known. Metastasis is the medical term used when cancer cells spread from their original location to other parts of the body. Select true or false. Correct. As pancreatic cancer grows, it can cause major abdominal and back pain. Select true or false. Correct. Does pancreatic cancer usually show symptoms in its early stages? Select yes or no. Correct. Unfortunately, pancreatic cancer tends to show very few early symptoms. That is why pancreatic cancer is called a silent disease. Does radiation therapy aimed at cancer cells in the pancreas also kill cancer cells that have spread to the lungs? Select yes or no. Correct. Radiation therapy only damages the cancer cells in the area that it is treated. That is why it is known as local therapy. Surgery is local therapy too. All chemotherapy treatments are outpatient treatments. Select true or false. Correct. Depending on the patient's health and the type of drug used, the healthcare provider will sometimes ask him or her to stay in the hospital for chemotherapy treatment. Thank you for using Explain.